I mean, I wanted to ask, there are so many fields coming up, right? Like deep learning and then machine learning, statistical analysis, mathematics.
What is?
My question is basically, as in we have a given constraint of time where we have to decide what we want to do in our future.
Okay.
So that is exactly. So choose a topic for PhD or say work in that particular field. And there are so many options out there. So how does one go about deciding as to, like exploring fields in the given constraint time and then decide, okay, this is what I want to do? So could you say, like, how does one go
I don't
about
know an answer to your question. Okay? See, how you explore different options, it depends on somebody's taste and attitude. Okay? I don't think I have the same way of reading books as you have. Okay? No two persons have the same way of exploring things. Okay? So it should depend on your interest and your what you like and what you dislike. Okay? See, I had a great teacher who told me something. I can only tell you that. I will be just, I am repeating verbatim from one of my very famous teacher, okay? So my teacher told me that sometimes some of the people will tell you that do something useful. That's all nonsense. Do something that you like. And if you are a sensible person, there will be a correlation between what you like and what is useful. But never give so much importance to what is useful. Do something what you like. So that's what he told me, and I have followed that so far. That much I can tell you. Okay?
Maybe also what is good in mathematics is that you can always change of subject. It's not because you are doing a PhD in some area and then you can do something else. It's easy to change subject. So sometimes you have just to grab the opportunities you have and then do your PhD and then you can do something else if you don't like your PhD subject. This is always possible in mathematics.
And also, I think that those different terms that you have pronounced, like machine learning, deep learning, all these things. See, most of the time, what happens is that they might be meaning more or less the same thing in different contexts, okay? Like when we were students, there was something called artificial intelligence. Then it became machine intelligence. Then it became something else. And now artificial intelligence is again coming back, okay? So many of those things, those terms mean the same thing. So when you start reading the materials, you will find out that you already know it. Okay, so it's not a big challenge for you that you have to explore so many things in order to come to sort of at par with what is the state of the art. Maybe people are just reinventing things again and again, you know. So at least that is true quite often in many scientific activities. Okay, so they are not anything new. So people might have, like I told you this when I was discussing Markov chain Monte Carlo also, right? I mean, there was a point of time people were talking about functions of Markov chain only. Okay, there was a huge literature and beautiful literature on properties of functions of Markov chain. Okay, now people talk about hidden Markov models and all these things, but those are all just special cases of functions of Markov chain. Okay, so if you know enough theory about functions of Markov chain, all the mathematical results they are proving for hidden Markov model will just follow from that.
So, anyone else have any questions? Any suggestions with something?